Alright, so this one looks like letter E, but it's actually wrong, because you're supposed to have a space between these two legs or arms of letter E. So you can adjust your arcs without any command, or you can press escape on your keyboard several times, but there's no command, there's nothing to click. All you're going to do is click this arc, and then this 4 grips will appear. You can change the angle of the arc by clicking on this middle grip here, and then you can change the angle. See, the angles are adjusting. So that's one way to adjust. Okay, and then we're supposed to create a space here, so you can click on this arc and then pull the end to adjust this, to adjust that, lower it, and then do this end here and adjust that and lower it. And I don't have any tool on. I'm not clicking any command. Okay, I can adjust this to make that a smaller angle, and then I can make a new command. So I'm going to go to draw and then click arc, and again 3-point arc. This should have a green square to start, and then where would I want the arc to go? Well, I want it to stop here, so I'm not going to put there. I'm not. Okay, because that's the 3rd point. This is my first, and I need to zoom in so I can make a better arc. I need to click on the 2nd point, and then I can click on the 3rd point. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3 points, right? So it's your 1 point, your 2nd point, and your 3rd point. And then I can press escape to cancel. I don't want this really pointy thing, so what I can do is I can select this arc and select this arc. I didn't click any commands or tools, and I can click the point where they both share the endpoint, and I can just simply drag that and smoothen that out, and I can also adjust the angle. Now I don't have that pointy thing. I can press escape on my keyboard. Okay, and then I can just make a small arc here. So I'm going to guess my arc again, and I'm going to click here to here to here. So always 3 points. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here, arc, and then I'm going to go 1. I don't want to go at the end. I want to go and define the 2nd point first. So I'm going to click 2nd point here, and then 3rd point somewhere here. Okay, and again, if I want to remove that pointy thing, I click one arc and the other arc, and then click the point that they are sharing, and then adjust my angle. Okay, and then press escape to stop or remove the grips, and then make a smaller arc here. So arc again, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that now looks like a better E. So again, to adjust the opening or angle of the arc, you simply click on the arc without any commands. Okay, nothing to click here. Press escape to stop, but simply click on the arc. The grips will appear. You can adjust the angle or opening of the arc. Alright.